In this video, you will learn how to download and install a LaTeX software on your computer. Many LaTeX software packages are available in internet. MikTeX is a popular LaTeX package. You can download this package. Uh, Type MikTeX in Google and go to miktech.org. In this page, click on Downloads, and in this page you can find an appropriate version of MikTeX. Another LaTeX software is TechLive, which personally I prefer this package. Type TechLive in Google and click on the first result. Click on Other Methods, then click on Downloading one huge ISO file. Click on Download from a nearby Citan mirror. And in this page, you can download the latest version of the TechLive distribution. After downloading this ISO file, mount this ISO file on your computer and click on Install TL Windows and wait for seconds. The installation screen is appeared. Click on Next and continue the installation. The TechLive distribution will be installed on your computer.